Hi everybody and welcome to my somewhat unboxing slash first impressions of the Fossil Gen 5 watch. It's a WearOS and it is the smoked stainless steel. I couldn't get my hands on the black stainless steel. And we will get into this guy in another video coming up very soon. So it's very basic. This is a sports band I bought, very similar to the Apple Watch bands, like the Nike sport bands. I have this guy here. It's 22 millimeter bands. The watch face itself is 44 millimeters. It's circular. Battery life has been so good so far after a couple of days. Now I'm looking forward to trying it out on the Pixel 4. I previously was doing it, connecting it to my Pixel 3 XL, and literally just finished setting it up again. But I've been using it for the last couple days. Battery life, I get home from an 8-hour shift, and I have like 60 to 50% of battery life. It'll last a night, and then it charges. By the time I go to bed, it's got 30%. I leave all the major things on. It's trying to connect to the Pixel 3. I don't want it to do that because I just finished pairing it. Let me scratch that real quick. Okay. But anyways, in the box, you get the band that's already attached to this guy. You get the charging little guy. Now, it charges through these pins, which you see here, but it's all the way around, so it could technically charge anywhere. Got the heart rate sensor, the screen, everything should be, yeah. So it's literally a swipe. So you got your health, your Google Assistant, your controls with battery life, and then swiping up gets you your notifications. And then tapping it, it's kind of funny we're going through this. Then you got your app wheel here, which I don't think everything is installed. Nope. Which is fine. For now, it's got the basic apps I need for the day. And then there's the basic face. And if you touch and hold, Fossil themselves has put a ton of faces together. I think there's like 30 different faces that they give you for free to start. Yeah, here they are. I'm going to lay it down. It's got a spinning crown, and then you got 2 preset buttons that you can set for any app you want. Ooh, that's nice. It's kind of digital. Then you tap and it comes forward. Enjoy. Look, oh, that's so cool. It's got like the flippy style. And I have been keeping the phone part off just so that it saves a little bit of battery. But that's the gist of it. So I'll give you a better review when I haven't had it for a whole week. And then, like I said, stay tuned for the Pixel 4 unboxing first impressions. Literally got it today. So I will see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.